Hey, let me show you what you can do if you don't receive notifications on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, or for example, one of the specific application is not sending those notifications. So first of all, just make sure that you have opened the Galaxy Wearable application on your phone and go for watch settings, go to the notifications, and first of all, you can go to the app notifications and you can quickly allow all apps to send notifications from your watch, because those are apps that are available on your watch. And below we'll get all apps that are actually on our smartphone. And as you can see, the phone notifications will be mirrored on our watch. So if you turn them on, it's not enough, because when in the system settings you get turned off notifications from the Chrome, they will be not sent. So what you have to do is just to go into the settings of your phone and search for this application screen. So in my case, in the OnePlus phone, it's available just over here. It depends on the phone, but this could be over here, here. Just search for apps section, go into the application management or expand list with all available all available applications, and now find all of those apps that don't send you notifications. So if I go for the Chrome, I have to make sure that I have allow notifications. And if you are sure that everything is fine, you have enabled those notifications, you have to also make sure that you are not using something like the do not disturb mode, theater mode, sleep mode, airplane mode on your phone, because it's also mirroring this feature on your watch. So the do not disturb mode works like this, that it actually don't send you those calls, notifications, messages to your watch. So this is the essential, and of course the same thing is available on your watch. So when you unlock your device and start searching, you can find the sleep mode, so we have to also turn it off. You can find like do not disturb mode over here. There's also the airplane mode, theater mode. So make sure that everything is set as normal without some kind of the specific modes that block notifications.